Today I'm teaching you 20 super useful English collocations you can use every single day. They're short, natural, and easy to remember. Make a decision. Choose something. I can't make a decision now. Take a break. Rest for a short time. Let's take a break. Do homework. Complete schoolwork. I must do my homework tonight. Have lunch. Eat lunch. Let's have lunch together. Make a mistake. Do something wrong. I made a small mistake. Take a shower. Wash your body. I take a shower every morning. Break a promise. Not do what you promised. Don't break your promise. Keep a promise. Do what she said. She always keeps her promises. Catch a cold. Become sick. I think I caught a cold. Save time. Use time efficiently. This app saves me time. Spend money. Use money. I don't want to spend money today. Pay attention. Focus. Please pay attention. Make an effort. Try hard. He made an effort to help. Take responsibility. Accept your duty or fault. You must take responsibility. Have a good time. Enjoy yourself. We had a good time at the party. Do the dishes. Wash plates. I'll do the dishes tonight. Make progress. Improve. You're making good progress. Take notes. Write important points. I always take notes in class. Make a phone call. Call someone. I need to make a phone call. Have a chance. Have an opportunity. I didn't have the chance to talk to her.